Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can respond to TripAdvisor review. So if you use TripAdvisor as your main app for traveling, you can read the review, even you can write it the review. Maybe you have a good experience with the hotels or restaurant that you visit. So for example, you can turn on looking for something nearby, or you can turn on your GPS or location on your phone. I'm at Denpasar right now, Indonesia, in Bali. And for example, the hotels, I can choose the Swiss Bell Bell Resort. Here we go. And here the review from the for the Swiss Bell. This one is Travel Insights. You can read all the reviews, or you can even write it a review here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.